On day 2, we got moved to this room. It has a soaking tub, a little bistro set to sit outside. The patio is quite large. You can't really tell from the picture with a fan, but you can pull these drapes closed if you want to take a bath in the soaking tub. But look at this. You walk out, you have your own little floaties and a float there. Step down into the water. So amazing. It's awesome. Come down here and you go into a larger pool. It goes to about like 4 or 5 feet. And it goes all the way down there. There's a lifeguard stand. This is probably about 14 rooms share this. And then in the distance there is the main pool. So you can hear all the music from the main pool. So you don't have to go over there, but if you want to, you can. And they have bar service over here. And they'll bring you your drinks all the way over to your little chair here. So you never even have to leave the mat if you don't want to. But it's just so awesome. I never thought a swim out bar would matter, but seriously, I don't know if I'd ever go any other way now.